Hi friends, my name is Anil Sadashiv Kauthekar. We are doing an activity on class 7. This video is part of that activity. This activity is presentation of story. Objectives of this presentation. First objective, to develop the confidence of student in spoken English. Second objective, to develop the creativity of students. And third objective, to develop art and craft skill of the students. Please send me your suggestion or feedback as this will contribute in betterment of the students. I hope you like this video. Start.
Good morning friends. Today I am going to tell you story. Story is the curious monkey. Once some villagers decided to build a temple on outskirts of the village. Different building material brought to the site. Masons, carpenters and laborers were engrossed in their work. This is a monkey. We see the sitting on a tree watching everyone at work. A carpenter was sawing a large block to divide into a parts. Everybody stopped his work. At lunchtime, so did carpenter. Only half portion of the log gone for lunch. All the monkeys jumped down from the tree. They started playing with tools and imitating them. One monkey who had been watching very carefully, being very curious, he went round to the log. And observed it for some time. He stopped at the wedge and looked at it. He had seen the wedge into the slide and was curious to know why he had done so. He sat down on the log. He spreading his legs on both sides of the log. He is dangling down through the tail. Near the slide. He started trying the wedge with one hand while he held near the slide with the other. And suddenly, the wedge came out. As soon as the wedge came out, the monkey's tail and fingers gone forever. The monkey's loud cry of pain jumped off the log. He is now without tail and fingers. Moral: look before leap.
Good morning friend. My name is Abhishek Sanjay Mata. I am talking a story. King Vikramaditya was very fond of the monkey, whom he had kept as pet. The monkey too was very fond of the king. It always sat with the king nearer left him. King legs placed and massaged his body with oil. King treated him with love and affection. King Vikramaditya had a big and very beautiful garden around his palace. Once he and his queen went to walk in the garden. Many beautiful butterflies and many beautiful flowers which were gushing from one flower into another collected. The air was full and sweet fragrance. Honey story in their honeycomb. The king and queen removed around the palace. Came back in palace, they were so tired. So the monkey immediately made their beds. The king told the monkey, "No one disturb me." After some time, the fly came and sat on the king's forehead. Pushed him, but fly came and sat on the king's forehead again and again. So the monkey decided to kill the fly. The monkey struck the fly with a sword. Oh, the king's forehead broken into two parts and he died on the spot. Moral: a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend.
one tortoise lived near one lake. They always played together, they always talked together. Once, due to lack of rain, the lake became very dry. Due to lack of rain, the lake became very dry. So they discussed and they decided to search the water in that. They go to search the water. Then the tortoise and both geese gathered. The tortoise said to geese, "Friend, did you get water? I did not get water." So the geese said, "I get water, but that lake is very far. We can go by flying. How you will come with us?" But the tortoise was very clever. He said geese to bring one strong stick. The geese brought the stick, and the geese told to tortoise, "Now what we are going to do with this stick?" The tortoise said, "I will hold this stick in middle, and you hold this stick on the two ends. When you will fly, I will fly with you, and we can go to that lake, and we will make the home over there." But the geese said, "Friend, we will help you, but you are very talkative. If you will talk in the middle, you will fall down and you will die on the spot." The tortoise said, "I will not talk, we will go and we will make our home over there." They started their journey. They goes from hills, mountains, villages, jungle, forest. Suddenly now a town came. All the people from their houses peep out, and they saw two geese and one tortoise. The tortoise and the people are clapping, laughing. The tortoise felt very bad, so he opened his mouth to ask his friend why they are clapping, and he fall down. Pardon? And he fall down. The geese felt very bad. And they go and they went to search the water.
Good morning, friend. My name is Akanksha and my friend name is Ashwini. Hi. Today we are going to tell you a English story. A story name is The Bear and Two Friends. Ram and Shyam were very good friends. Ram was a thin and skinny while Shyam was a healthy and stout one. One both decided to visit the friend, but Govinda, who lived in another village. They had passing through the forest to reach the village. They passing through the forest, the bear coming to the near. Ram immediately ran and climbed up nearby the tree. Poor Shyam, being fat and stout, not climbed up the tree, but he shows presence of mind. The bear do not eat dead body. So he lay down still on the ground. The bear came near Shyam and sniffed the place. It thought that Shyam was dead and went away. When the bear had gone away, as was open, Ram down the tree. When asked Shyam, forgive him. What did the bear tell you in your ear? The bear told me a selfish friend like you. Ram got the message and was sorry for his action. He asked Shyam, forgive him. Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Good morning, friends. My name is Pooja and my friend name is Purva. Hello, I'm Neha. Hi. Today we are going to tell you a English story. Story name is A Donkey in a Tiger Skin. Gangaram was a yogi who lived in a small village. He was a miser. He had a donkey. He carried daily bundle of clothes to and from the river. It was very hard. Gangaram did not feed him properly. The donkey had become thin and weak. Once Gangaram had gone to visit his friend in another village. He had to pass through the jungle. While crossing to the jungle, Gangaram found in a tiger skin. immediately. He took the tiger skin with him and go to home. At night, he put the tiger skin on the donkey and sent him in the nearby field. The farmer who were keeping the watch on the field, though that a tiger had come, frightened, they ran away. Gangaram put the tiger skin on the donkey and left in the field. It had its fill and returned the morning. Now the donkey had become healthy and sharp. One night, as the donkey was feeding itself, it heard another donkey braying. It too felt like braying, so it started braying loudly.
Farmer.
The farmers come out of their huts and saw the donkey in a tiger skin braying. Soon they realized that the animals they thought to be a tiger was really a donkey, and this donkey come each night and destroy their crops. Wild with rage, they all come big stick and beat the donkey with hard balls, and it died on the spot. Moral: you can fool a few people a few times, but not all the people all the time.
Good morning, friends. My name is Priya.
My name is Teju. My name is Shivan.
Today we are going to tell you English story. Turtle lived in a pond. The geese were his friends. He went to the geese and said, "Please, let me fly with you." The geese agreed.
The brought a stick. The tortoise held the stick in his mouth. The geese held the stick in their beakers and they began to fly. The tortoise fell with the geese. Some children saw the geese and the tortoise. They began to shout, "Hey tortoise!
Hello, tortoise. How are you? Hello, tortoise. Hi.
Hey. The tortoise began to wave and he opened his mouth and said, "Hi." The poor tortoise fell back into the pond and
Good morning, friends. My name is Vaishali Katkar and my friend name is Prachi Gai. Hi. Today I am going to tell a story. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd. He had many sheep. He took them hillside for grazing. One day, he had going to next village for some important. He told his son Raghu, "I am going to next village for some important work. So it will 3 to 4 days to come back. So my child carefully, there are many wild animals in other hillside." Next day, Raghu going to hillside for grazing and he shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf, help me! Wolf, wolf, help me!" The villagers come and says, "What happened, Raju? Where are you, wolf?" The Raghu told, "There are no wolf. I just found you." And villagers going to his house.
Raghu made this trick 2 times. After third day, the wolf really came, and Raghu climbed on the tree and shouted for help, "Help, help!" But no one will came to help him because the villagers thought Raghu was playing a trick. Raghu got punishment of his mischievousness. Don't make foolish others.